I'm so sorry. Can you reprint this because I'm not, I signed it and I'm not.
Yeah. Judge, I'm just gonna.
Yes. Okay, thank you. All right, who's here on Roberto Monreal? Good morning. We had a chance to confer with the state?
We did a few minutes ago, yes, Judge.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
I need to bring a large jump drive so they can upload a phone dump and other items of evidence that how I would hold it.
All right, so I'm going to recall this for 45 days. State, will you be prepared to tender an offer at that time? Or do you need more time?
I'd be surprised if 45 days was going to come out, Judge.
45 might be pushing it for an actual offer, Judge. But I mean, we will do our best to get there. I mean,
All right, 60 days.
that should be more than sufficient, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this for 60 days. It's going to be for discovering the state will tender an offer. All right, September 22nd.
September 22nd.
Yes, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Are you ready on Ms. Ayala? All right, if you'll have a seat, your attorney will bring the reset form. Leslie Ann Ayala. We're back on the record in 2024 CR 009614. Ms. Ayala, are you asking the court to follow the agreement that has been reached with the state between you, the state, and your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 1 true as previously stated. The court will follow the agreement that you've reached with the state. The court will grant the motion, revoke you, sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 2025 PF 24568, 2025 CC 007573, and the court will request a therapeutic community. State, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
With your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I've ordered also the therapeutic community. I have no jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program. You will still need to sign up for it, and they will still need to approve you for it. But it is a good program, and it's to help you maintain your sobriety. And if you have mental health issues, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
That person briefly.
Yes.
I don't want to get too close. I woke up this morning with a real bad
Oh, you are
sore
too close then.
throat. Yeah. And it's just, I wanted to muscle through, but I'm sorry. I don't want to get anybody else sick. We have Aguilar today, and I think I have a guy named Kevin Hernandez.
Oh, you need to have them pull the file. Or do you want a mask?
Sure.
All right. Deputy Laura, he needs a mask.
And
And then I'll take that up right now.
maybe call it next week. We call it next week.
Oh, is
We
your
have
opponent here?
he's in custody. Aguilar is.
Okay, just have them pull the file and we'll take care of it. All right. So on Aguilar, what is happening with that?
We reached an agreement.
Okay,
He's ready to go. That's what I was intending to do right now. But
Okay.
maybe Monday.
all right.
Right. I think she has that one.
All right, so we'll recall Mr. Aguilar on Monday for a plea. And then Mr. Rodriguez, you say he's in custody?
I believe so.
Mr. Rodriguez?
He did not answer.
All right. State, we're going to have to put this on the record. Could someone call for Kevin Zachariah Rodriguez in the hallway? Court is calling 2025 CR 006732, State versus Kevin Zachariah Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garrett for the state, Your Honor.
Kyle Simpson for the defendant.
All right. This hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:25 a.m. The defendant has not made an appearance. Counsel, do you know where your client is?
I do not.
All right.
And just like that, the courtroom drops its mic, skip your hearing, and the judge issues a warrant, meaning once Rodriguez is found, it's straight to custody with no bail and no freedom, turning a bad situation instantly worse.
And state, what are you requesting?
And Judge, is he on?
Judge's warrant? Yeah.
Judge, we're requesting a judge's warrant, Your Honor.
All right. The court will issue a judge's warrant. Your client will be remanded without bond. If he makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You know, I just felt a germ jump towards me.
What's that?
You know, my body knows when a germ is.
After yesterday, and then today.
Yeah, I'm like, no. And the next person up will be Noah Gonzalez. All right, counsel, you're standing in.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Humberto Saldana asked me to stand in.
All right,
Apparently his daughter is having a baby right now.
yes. So on this case, you understand what his options are?
Judge, that's what it took me a while to get up here. And I've been sitting with him for the past 30 minutes trying to get him to do the right option.
Mhm. All right, and what I can tell you, the issue with Mr. Gonzalez, although the state didn't proceed on it, they only proceeded on a violation of condition number 4. And of course, when people have these type of charges and they're not reporting, I don't know if they're using drugs or not because they're not reporting. So do you know which option your client is requesting?
He's requesting the 200 days at the court.
Oh, no. He wants to be revoked. All right. The court is calling 2024 CR 6757, 2024 CR 007444, and 2024 CR 007423, State versus Noah Javier Gonzalez. Can I have the state announce?
Deputy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Robert Porter standing on behalf of Humberto Saldana, Mr. Gonzalez.
And are you Noah Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Noah Javier Gonzalez.
All right.
Miss your hearing and the judge issues a warrant, meaning when Rodriguez is found, there's no bail, no freedom, straight to custody, proving that skipping court only makes a bad situation worse.
Right. We were here on this case on July 21st. In each case, you pled true to a violation of condition number 4. The state waived the remaining violations. The court gave you an option to either be revoked on each motion and sent to the state jail facility for 200 days. Your previous attorney had a medical emergency involving a family member. The attorney who's standing in is Mr. Robert Porter. Do you have any objections to this attorney standing in?
No.
All right. And Mr. Porter, did you have an opportunity to speak with him regarding his options?
I did, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Gonzalez, have you had ample opportunity to speak with Mr. Porter about your options and Mr. Humberto about your options?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand the consequences of your choices and the options that the court has given you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you wish to be revoked?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
And cause number 2024 CR 6757, as previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 200 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Probation, was there any restitution ever determined for the complainants under that case? It should be a Daniel Chapa and Cynthia Chapa. And then, and cause number 2000, oh, I'm sorry. And under that cause number, it's to run concurrent with 2024 CR 007423 and 2024 CR 007444. Then in cause number 2024 CR 007423, the court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 200 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CR 6757 and 2024 CR 007444. And there's to be no contact with Wesley, Wesley Kohn, Cohn. And cause number 2024 CR 007444. Court is finding you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 200 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CR 007423, 2024 CR 6757. And there's to be no contact with Faerun, Faerun, Marie Whippleman, Weppelman, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Counsel, is there anything else with regards to sentencing
No, Your Honor.
and those cause numbers? All right, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign them?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, because these are plea bargain agreements,
He actually chose to be revoked, likely because the deal on the table seemed lighter than dragging things out. But once he waived his right to appeal, that was final, no do-overs, leaving the question. Would you have taken that deal in his place?
because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are felony convictions, you are not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So you have made the easy choice in your life, which, I mean, that's what you've done. And what's going to end up happening is these cases are going to follow you around for the rest of your life because now you are going to be a felon. And as I previously told you, these cases involve crimes of moral turpitude. So that's going to preclude you from doing certain things. Do you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. And now you know where children come from if you didn't know before. Do not continue to have children that you cannot afford and that you're just depending on your grandparents or her grandparents to be babysitters. If a grandparent wants to babysit your child and act as the daycare, That's completely up to them. That shouldn't be your plan.
Definitely not.
Well, I mean, you're going to jail. It is your plan. You're not supporting your child. And you're going to have to figure out a way how to do that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Who's here? Miguel Velez.
I got notice that this is set next week and I have a vacation letter on file. So I was asking Norma if we could reset it for the following Monday or Tuesday, because I'll be back on the 4th and 5th, just not a long race. He's currently set on the 31st.
All right. And when you will be back?
I will be back Monday, the 4th and Tuesday, the 5th, and then I'm out again because I'm.
All right. You want to set it for the 4th?
That'd be great.
All right, Norma, put this on the 4th.
And I'll notify my client. I believe he's on bond.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Judge. I
You're welcome.
appreciate it.
You still have Mr. Rendell, we're ready when you.
Yes. All right. Rudy Perez.
Is it for him, Your Honor?
Hello. Are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
We are, Judge.
All right. This is a motion to revoke. Court is calling 2024 CR 6553 State versus Rudy Perez. Can I have parties announce?
Deputy Pitlock for the state of Texas.
Probation may seem like freedom, but skip a check-in and it can flip fast. Suddenly you're facing years in prison and heavy fines because the system trades trust for freedom, and breaking that trust comes with a price.
Christopher Simpkins for the defense.
And are you Rudy Perez?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Rudy Perez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 553 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on September 24th, 2024 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Rudy Perez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December 2024, January 2025, in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State, do you waive the other allegations?
State waives and abandons the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, that is to grant the state's motion to adjudicate defendant and to sentence defendant to 180 days in a state jail facility,
All right. Thank you, state. You may be excused.
Your Honor.
All right, sir. Can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Your Honor.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Rudy Perez, madam.
All right, you are looking not so good today from when I first saw you.
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
So what is going on?
Got a dope problem, madam.
And you just can't stop?
No, I really can't, madam.
All right, and what's the drug?
Heroin.
Okay. So here's the thing. And I want you to think about this. I want you to hear me clearly, right?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
If you continue to use drugs, you know, it's sad to say, but unless there's some higher intervention in your life, only one or two things going to end up happening. Either you're going to be in prison or either somebody's going to be identifying your body. The drugs that you are using, it does horrible things to your body.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you keep needing more and more and more to get the high. So I can revoke you and sentence you to your 180 days at the state jail facility. What's going to end up happening is you're going to get released and you're going to go back to using drugs. And somebody's either going to be identifying your body or either before you get a chance to use the drugs that you've been given,
Yes, Your Honor.
the police are going to arrest you
Yes,
and you're going to be right back here. So I'm going to give you a choice today.
Your Honor.
I can get you help, but you're gonna have to work the program. You can't, we can only do so much.
And we did that for me last time, Your Honor, madam, and they didn't come for me. They didn't. Nothing happened. They just released me, and
Yeah.
I went over there. And they were already.
Well, here's the thing, they were not supposed to. So sometimes that happens. Sometimes people get released from the jail. So here are your options.
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
And these are your only options. There is no third option.
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
I can follow the agreement that's been reached. You know what's going to end up happening. You're going to go to the state jail facility. You're going to do your time. You're going to get released. And then you're going to use again.
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
Or if you want, I will continue you, but you're going to safety.
To safety?
Yes, that is an inpatient drug treatment facility.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is for months. It's not just for 2 days. It's a total of 9 months.
It's just that there's a problem, Your Honor, madam. I'm an ex, man. And, you know, I'm a wanted man. So that's what
I know that's hard. Yeah.
It's really, really hard for me. But, you know, I would just, you know, I would just like to get this over with. And I would like to go for lifetime, you know, like if they could come pick me up. But otherwise, all the rest, I'm just putting my own life in danger, you know?
Yeah.
And
No, I understand.
You know that, Your Honor, man.
No, I appreciate what you're saying. Well, what I can tell you, I don't think lifetime recovery will be appropriate for you in the stage of addiction that you're in. But once you've completed your time at the state jail facility and you're released, you can go to lifetime on your own.
Yes, Your Honor, man.
So-
That's what I was hoping to do because I have no friends, you know, I have no family.
No.
You know, and for me, that would be the best feeling for me to just go over there by myself. And I last time I didn't do it because I went to probation thinking the best that maybe I could get help by them, and it didn't happen. So I took off back to the streets, Your Honor, madam. But with this right here, just 180, I'm good, and I'll get out and I'll do it myself. Because a lot of friends told me, man, they do know what they're doing.
All right. So here's the thing. That's what you're telling me.
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
Hopefully you will do that because otherwise
Yes, Your Honor.
only one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to end up with somebody identifying your body, or either before you get a chance to use the drug, you're going to get arrested by the police. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
All right. This is what, are you asking the court to follow this agreement that you've reached with the state?
Yes, yes, Your Honor, madam. Thank you.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
All right. The court will find violation of condition number 4 true. The court will find you guilty, revoke, give you 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor, madam.
All right, sir. Good luck to you again when you're released. If for some reason you can't find your way to lifetime, if I'm still here, you come here, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to put you in their inpatient treatment facility, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor, madam. Thank you, and I probably will.
All right. All right. I'll be waiting for, well, if I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor, madam.
All right.